How to change Google Form owner. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your Google Form ownership. So if you want to change the owner from one person to another, what you simply need to do is simply head over to any of your browser and just search in for Google Form. So once you search in, just click on the first link and make sure you have successfully signed into your account. So once you successfully signed into your account, just head over to your form and just click on any of your random form just like this. So let me just show you from the beginning. Once you get on this screen, you just have to click on any of your form or just create your form using the blank form. So once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply select on this share button. If you don't see the add collaborator option inside here, then you need to click on this share button and just search in for the person to whom you want to give the ownership to, and just make sure you enter the correct details of that particular person. So let me just do that. So once you do that, just click on this, and before you send or notify them just about this form, just make sure you have selected the editor option so that they will become editor for this file as well. So just click on any of the message and simply click on send and wait for some time and just check out their Gmail. So let me just check out the Gmail in the mail which I just sent. So as you can see, once I checked in my mail, you will be seeing this option to open the file of the link which I just sent in from the another link as a creator. And now you can see when you select this option again, so let me just show you that I have been successfully changed into the editor as well. So that is exactly how you can easily change or transfer your editor or admin option on your Google form. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.